much and much. Do you think uPhayelo Mthakathi, can you explain indaba yakhe yokumithana nepresident? Do you think imali uyithathile, if eyithathile, isho ukuthini lento kwi-much and much?
Yabona, since yonke le ndaba i-breakout-ile from siqala ukuba nama-questions ngomhla ka-29 ne-eve yangomhla ka-30 from siqala ukubona lezi ayithombe e-circulator sibona lo mfowethu lo ba-victorizer ekuthiwa ubani uZoso ne simbona ethenga ifoni ngo-31,000 ewu-cash. So awukwazi ukuthi abantu bedele into engaka babe kunyawo on the ground basupport i-movement bese nina neqoqwana lino niyahamba niyodayisa ngomzabalazo lapha nibuye senisitshela ukuthi yini iqhwaga yini iqhwaga. Yabona umtsizwa bafethu, ngifuna ukunitshela lento, wonke umjida olengisile uyinsizwa. Yakwazi lo angifuna ukuthi lento leyo labafethu abaphuma emakhaya yokucabanga ukuthi iyinsizwa abantu abakhule bedlala imigangela yenduku kuphela, abantu ade belusa inkomo udodi leyo nto bra.
And dangerous.
Understand?
Yabona mina uma ngiyekhaya ngithathwa njengensizwa.
But namhlanje ngoba sekunezingxabano ezikhona kule movement, sekuyibona abakhanda ama-content manje be-analyze ukuthi lo wenza ukuthi bephehla impi, yabo kulezi ingane zakwethu eziku-executive ophakela omlu
Yo mfana, kushaya i-stress. Ngithi ngizoqala i-episode but ngiyabona i-stress singibambile. Endlini kuphele yonke into, kuphele ushukela, imoto impela yepetrol, ingane angazi ukuthi ngizoyinika imali yokukhera ngizoyithatha phi. Isimo siyabheda ndoda, umuntu uzohola nini la? Yo.
Yeah, life doesn't wait for payday. That's why Jojo Finance offers fast, affordable short-term loans from 100 Rand upwards.
Mfethu. Userious ngalento?
Yeah, you simply provide your ID, latest payslip, and a 3-month bank statement. The approvals are quick, interest rates are low, and it's a simple process.
Manje awusho mfana ba-registered singabathemba abantu abanje.
Jojo Finance is NCR approved. So now what will happen, a credit assessment will take place to determine your approved credit limit from 100 Rand upwards. The number results will be shared with you before any agreement.
So bese batholakala kuphi labantu or mhlawumbe ngakhona ukubafonela?
You can visit them on shop number 23 Brown Building, 10 Paul Kroger Street, Mbombela, or call them on 079-875-3876.
Ayabona lawa nkalakatha ngiyabafonela. Oh mfethu ngidinga imali. Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I co-paid in Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on Sunday on camera, this thing as usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at a time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell, join the membership, and make sure you watch the ads. You don't skip the ads. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. Highly appreciated. Thank you. James, yeah.
Enkomodo.
Awe.
Ubona kanjani ndoda masingafaka nje ama-camera la emakhoneni? Because ngathi show ndoda it's before sirola la ma-camera. Like ubona ku-idea njani?
Mina bekungangijabulisa ukuthi noma ekujino kuyenza lento. Ukuthi yabona njengale discussion ebesina before siqala. Chris asingena nge-English la. Le discussion ebesina before le discussion iphela ne before qala i-show. I think izinto ezikanjalo sometimes zingayispice up i-production yenu ukuthi niyiveze, you know, or wona ama-camera njengobusha ama-hidden camera azobe rolla yabo, because izinto ebesiyikhuluma before sizoqala ukukhuluma bazi insightful too much.
Yeah. Isho iqala
and ngicela ungiphe yona iclip mawukuthi uyi-capture.
Yeah, I think it's 9-10 minutes sorry. Yeah, ikhona.
Ngakuwena ikhona
Yeah,
ne?
ikhona.
La ungiphe yona ngizoyipost.
Yeah, situtsi.
Yeah.
ne before the show sit black and white. Yeah, no.
Yeah, nama ngibingelela kubalandeli nababukeli uSipho esihle waNkomondo ezakhini eMnambithi. Salute.
Yeah. Kanda, you got any questions before we start?
Yes, welcome Mr. Nkomonde.
Salute Kanda.
Yeah, maybe sizokhuluma ngento esijwayele ukukhuluma ngayo. Into zase-South Africa. General.
benjalo
Asiqali
Ukuthi nebengifuna siqale ngoJulius.
sawuzanibophe manje.
No, it's public knowledge.
what about him?
Lento yakhe noFaroz Khan nje anti zoboshwe lenkalakade.
On Madlanga.
Ya konke sikuzwile kufundwe nama text khona kumadlanga between yena uJulius kanye nabo Faroz Khan. Into engizoyisho nje ukuthi uJulius umoshe ngokuthi alahla ama citizen ale country kulento ye-immigration. I-support akazi ukuba nayo this time around, you know, and njengoba besikhombisa kumadlanga ukuthi unjani, akusekho sizokusecond guessa because ubelokhu esinikeza ama-indications. Abantu associated nabo uJulius Bra, it's not a secret ukuthi umngani no-Adriano Mazzotti, umngani no-Faroz Khan, umngani nabantu abaningi bra abanama-shady characters. So angiliboni iphupho lakhe elifezeka lokuthi abe umongameli walelizwe ngelinye ilanga. Unecala elihengile njengamanje aliluzile leli le-firearm e-Eastern Cape. Njengoba kuvela izinto zakumadlanga, in the near future, mark my words, i-CIC iyolala ibaliwe.
Near future or anytime soon.
Makuwukuthi i-judicial system yakule country nalo iqiniso and ayikho captured, kungaba maduzane.
Ngizengathi bathi ne-VBS iyavuka.
Izovuka vele, you know, izovuka bra. Phela angithi manje enye into ebenza ukuthi umzala abe arrogant, ayitshela ukuthi untouchable, yiwo lama connections avelayo manje.
Ane
Yabo, lento engangike ngayisho na ku-previous episode ukuthi whoever obamba i-position wherever oyitshela ukuthi une-network yakhe ezomprotector, akusisikhathi sokumisuse ama-powers akho lezi. Cause ebra yonke into these days ne iyavideoizwa or ibe i-audio and ipresentwe as ubufakazi and abantu bazo-account.
Nokuthi everywhere la ubhala khona they can retrieve.
Exactly.
nalokuthi ngathi bekangakhola ijuju ukuthi
Engakholwa wabuza wathi
wabuza isizwe into edilithiwe
usuku lakhe namoshe kanje ngalelo langa.
sesiyazi ubheka buzelayo.
No, bese kuyi-culture ejwayelekile wena Ganda ukuthi eParliament banalama cartels abo abrackethanayo and ama law enforcement agencies bra wonke, it's just that manje kusabhekwe kakhulu eSEPS ne mhlambe nakuma Hawks ebra wonke lama arm of services angcole wonke bra, and wonke njengoba imadlanga kuthiwa izo extend uzobona wonke bra mayilandelelo bonke bangcole bonke ndoda. Angithi mawungabheka ne akusiyi secret lento bra, kubo bonke abantu abasebenza emthethweni abakuma law enforcement agencies bayazi lento engizoyisho. I-position yokuba i-general noma yokuba i-director kwi-arm of service, it's a political post. Majority abantu abawo-generali ama-comrade noma ama-affiliate wama-comrade noma iy'hlobo zabo noma iy'ngane zabo noma ama-sex partners zabo. Ba-few bakhona ne bancane kodwa ngikhuluma ngawo wonke ama-arm of services, bancane abantu abakwi-level yokuba o-general abafika lapha without ukuba related to anyone or ama-favors athile. Bancane abantu abafana noNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ongeke uze uba-control, ya understand, kuleya position yobu-general. Majority abo njengoba sesibonile akusasiyi secret lento, abantu abafana no-General Sinona, abantu abafana no-General Shadrack Sibiya, abantu abafana noShibiri, General Shibiri, baningi ngababala ne o-General Khan, kuvelile ukuthi ba abantu abamisuse ama-powers abo ngokuba kulawa ama-political post and bayazi ukuthi babrackethwe abangani babo abama-politicians, ya understand. Kunalento ukuthi mawugadwe abantu abama-politicians akekho umuntu ongakuthinta yabo leyo nto. Ma affiliated nabantu abawo general noma ugeneral akekho umuntu ongakuthinta yabo leyo nto le. So leyo nto isi play out for the past 32 years kungekho umuntu ama Scorpions bawa disbandina ngoba mayisaqala le pattern ama Scorpion ayefuna ukuyibamba isaqala lento yabo abona amaqabane ukuthi no sizolimala la ay disbandina lento ama Scorpion you understand. And ama citizen ayesekhule enough kule country ukuthi aphakamise izikhalo ngaleso sikhathi ngiyawagxeka ukuthi kwakungani engayimeli leyo nto leyo because from ekudisbandweni kweScorpion yila amaqabana aqala khona akhanda ama networks ahlukahlukene yabo ukube bracketane njengoba umalemu ukwazi ukutshela kahle ngisho kuthiwa uyiphoyisa yezo athi you are nothing you are a small boy. Tshela mina umalema phela akanawo ama powers okutshela a law enforcement member leyo nto. Umalema uyi-public servant, uyi-colleague yaleli phoyisa. Akasiyena umqashi waleli phoyisa. You understand? But ngoba u-affiliated nabantu ama-boss o-crime intelligent abafana noKhan kanje, unento yokuthi i-constable or i-sergeant or i-captain yasemaphoyiseni ngangitshelani, ngihlala no-general mina. You know? So lama web abawakhandile obungani benkohlakalo. Benza ukuthi ama politicians egcine delela ngisho abantu abaqoka lama uniform thina esiqoka lama uniform you know and banayo yonke right yokusidelela because number 1 umuntu oseparliament ndoda isalary yami uyiphinda more than 10 times wonke umuntu ohlala eparliament oyimember
too much gap
bro ngoba ungizwa ngisho isalary yami umuntu oseparliament Chris uyi times are more than 10 times
sure
10 times plus, you understand? And ubungozi ubone ukuthi ugovernment wethu bra kanali iqiniso dot yabo. If it's ama members of parliament labantu laba bukho ubungozi number 1 ababhekane nabo except for ubungozi obulethwa yibona kwisekeli yabo ngenxa yokuba ngama position ngenxa yokuba nomkhobholo ngenxa yokujaha imali and all that, you understand? Should bona lama blue light nanye nale protection esikhokhelayo abahamba nayo bayigade from one another, you understand? How about mina engivuka ekuseni ngithi ngiyemsebenzini ungithole sometimes ngingedwa phakathi kweboshwa mhlawumbe izu100 mina ke kunokwenzeka kimi lokho, you understand? Thola ukuthi ngirun ishop ngiyedwa iphoyisa la ngisebenza neziboshwa zami and iziboshwa mhlawumbe more than 100 izizothenga monthly shop. Mangathiwa zicabanga kungivalele zingixenye zingibulala for which lawo ma cases akenzeka before emsebenzini wami. Bakhona abantu ababulawe yiboshwa bese emsebenzini. Umsebenzi wethu ubungozi, you understand? But umsebenzi wethu imali esiyitholayo ngomsebenzi wethu ayingenzi nokuthi ngiqualify let alone uku-afforda angiqualify ukuthenga umuzi endaweni edecent. But a member of parliament even worse eyikwerekwere elethwa yi-EFF eparliament ihola isalary 10 times more than mina. So loyo muntu loyo ma uyibuka ngaleyo ndlela obvious irespect angayibe khona lapho because according to yena usuperior kunami yabo. Iphoyisa eligqoka iuniform eblue yase-subs kune possibility enkulu ukuthi mayephuma ngomnyanga yemsebenzini engabuya ngebhokisi endlini. And sekwenzeke kaningi kuyenzeka every day, you understand? Amaphoyisa abulawa ama-illegal foreigners, amaphoyisa abulawe yithina la eSouth Africa yabo. But iphoyisa lase-SAPS majority yawo mabe ngakutshela iqiniso abaqualify ukuthenga imizi endaweni edecent.
Ngitshela
You understand? Amasoja yiwo futhi ngizoyikhuluma lento ngoba nginayo experience yayo. Amasoja kwi-security cluster yiwo ane chance yokukhanda extra income kwi-line of duty via i-deployment. You understand? Fine, akhona la uma-overtime. Mangakutshela imali yama-overtime bro ungahleka uzokhala.
ahola malini phela amasoja?
Bro amasoja phela kuya ngama-rank ahlukahlukene
Entry level. like i-soldier seli-qualified
I think i-Lance Corporal e-MC I think idlalela akusiyimali etheni ingawo ngithi bakwazi angeke ngize ngigagule la abantu bakwazi ukuchecka lento bayayichecka ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoze yabo but nje bakwazi ukuyenzani bakwazi ukuthi bayethi xaxa ngokwama deployment yabo leyo nto le but nabo mabengakutshela iqiniso vast majority yabo aba-afford ukuthenga izindlu bafele emakotasi bagugele emakotasi understand leyo nto le hayi ngoba bethanda abaqualify ukuthenga izindlu yabo leyo nto le so ugovernment wethu bra angazi ukuthi style esitheni lesi wonke ama-government employees bra I understand our afford ukuphila impilo edecent noma ngayo umuphi umuntu oyiyiphi i-profession ne ungaba nomathi uyiyiphi i-profession esebenza under government ehola ngephezulu ne ungammangaleli loyo muntu mayiphila ngomashonisa thina siyazi ukuthi why yabo ugovernment uyakunikeza i-status sokuthi usebenzela ugovernment plus naleyo bathi yini plus naleyo profession yakho ukuthi usibani osebenzela ugovernment ne but i-notch ne i-notch ayihambisani nale status onikwa sona abantu bayahluphe ebra yazi kunomuntu osesebenze more than 20 years kwi-arm of service akakaza akha ngisho indlu akakaza athenga indlu akakaza athenga ngisho imoto hayi ngoba ethanda
2000 to 15000
madoda ningahleki ivar lesho uganda tshela mina bra uzocasha ngokuthi uyi-government employee uku-12,000 I understand so and mind you even to 15,000 bra I understand incane leyo mali dog I understand le nto le phela manje sikhuluma ekuthenini siney'ngane I understand transportwa amazi esikoleni ekhokhelwa ama-monthly school fees I understand le nto le siney'ngane ekhokhelwa ama-crash and all that yabo leyo nto le nginempilo yami kumele ngigibele ngemsebenzini kumele ngibe nesikhafutini I understand kunebond kumele ikhokhwe kunemoto ekumele ibe khona I understand le nto le kunama-extra classes okumele wakhokhele la kulezi ngane zonke lezi ngo-12,000 lo usho you afford
ayihlelo ngithatha ijojo
and then
ingako uthola abantu basemthethweni baningi kanje
ba incompetent
bepribeka ebobra angifuni ukukutshela amanga ne kuma security cluster wonke ne mfethu bakhona obhuti nosisi mfethu abaqotho kulama uniform yangizwa ngithini ngo bakhona obhuti nosisi abaqotho kulama uniform bra and aba understandayo ukuthi ngokugqoka lama uniform kumele ngiseve i-country yami ngokuthembeka ne but abanye babo ba end up befola kulezi zinto zokubribeka nabo ngenxa yokubuka i-income abayitholayo ya understand epra uyakholela lento ukuthi akusi wonke umbulalo nenhliziyo embi ngizoya kuleyo ndlela ukuthi uyi-understand akuyena wonke umuntu okwazi ukubulala noma wakwabulala umuntu onenhliziyo embi kunabantu ababulala ngoba umuntu engasenayo i-option ya understand tshela mina njengalo mjito wayekade ehleli la lo owayefuna ukubulawa i-MEC yaselokhuzeni lapha ya understand to someone competent ngokusebenzisa ibhamu njengami mina ungizela ngale ndlela bra mina ngeke ngiyeke mina mina sekungamane ngiboshwe bra ungihlasela nezingane zami endlini you understand ungishawuza ufuna nokunquma ipipi efethi yazi ngiqala ukulalela leya episode le yamjita bra amehla amagcwala inyembezi bra
yize
le yamjita mayethi Chris mina phela ngimkhulu kunawe ngomzimba lento oyibuka manje into ekhandwe ilabafana engikhule nabo plus nalo MEC you understand bra abanye abantu mina in that case yabo before mina ngizoza la ngizoyibeka kuwe Chris indaba hayi mina mfana kwakungamane kushiyana ukwenza mfana angisho ukuthi kanjani mfethu yezwe but ezinye izinto ne zinama limit so umuntu ozokharasa ngale yandlela ukwazi ukuyidif mina nawe asifani Chris yabo leyo nto le asifani like mangikhuluma ngokuSpanish artillery asifani dog yabo mina ungiphusha kule limit uloku ungichukuluza ngale ndlela dog mina ngeke ngize ngigoqe isandla
Kanti kunje mfethu yabona khona ukuthi
then kusasa uzofuna ukungipainta as umuntu onenhliziyo embo umbulali
khona
ngibe
ukuthi
ngidefenda nomndeni wami
khona
No.
ukuthi uhlukumeze mina mhlawumbe I can take it. Masuya nasemndenini manje.
yabona yingakho ngihlezi ngisho lento majita and kumele siyithathe serious lento yeba fethi firearm competence ne crucial more especially mawi out ne
Yeah. Akwazi wena. Naye ngaya maybe 2 times.
yabona ganda
Spam ayingayisaba.
nina ma property nina ma asset ekumele niwagadi gents you understand and ningakuthathi kancane lokho yabo abantu bayakubulala bekubulalela izinto zakho abantu bayakubulala bekubulalela isiphiwo naso you understand abantu bayakubulala bekubulalela izibusiso umdala kuphezulu yabo leyo nto le and imfethu nasemahlweni kaNkuluNkulu akusona isono ukuthi mawuzama ukungibulala ngiyivikela ngikubulala kuqala akusona isono leyo nto le bekumele kufe bekumele kufe bani bekumele kufe bani mfethu isono sami ukuthi ngivikele impilo yami mawukuthi isono leyo nto shoot kwaleyo uNkulunkulu akanaqiniso ngiyakutshela bro shoot kwayena umuntu onamanga ngoba akwazi ukuthi ndoda nginengane njengamanje ena 3 years my youngest son una 3 years dog yayizwa leyo nto le akaka ngi-experience ngaleyo ndlela he's young dog yabo leyo nto le then mo threaten impilo yami bro ngisafuna ukuphilela izingane zami zonke mina dog you understand ingane yami endala ina 14 yabo naye bonke nje bonke abaka enjoy ngaleyo ndlela yabo leyo nto le
And nanokuthi phela akukho labantu sebeenjoyile khona kahle kahle.
exactly but at least angibe khona empilweni zabo yabo
Yeah.
akwazi ukuthi wena ganda ma uthreaten impilo yami ngibona futhi ukuthi uthreaten impilo yami dog bese ngithena the other cheek
Asingene
ngeke
kwindaba
ngidlale.
elephant in a room much and much. Do you think uphayela umthakathi, can you explain indaba yakhe yokumithana nepresident? Do you think imali uyithathile, ife ithathile, isho ukuthini lento kwe-much and much?
yabona since yonke le ndaba i-breakout ile from siqala ukuba nama questions ngomhla ka-29 nge-eve yangomhla ka-30 from siqala ukubona lezi ayithombe e-circulator sibona lo mfowethu lo bavidorizer ekuthiwa ubani uZoso ne simbona ethenga ifoni ngo-31,000 ewu-cash immediately after ukubona upresident and to sambe size sifike la ngizwe khona umfowethu lo umlungisi Zondi lo welakho ekhuluma akade ukukhuluma ngaso sonke isimo ne ngizoqala nje ngokuthi it's a tough pill to swallow ukuthi ngivume ukuthi uphakele uyenzile lento yabo but then again angeke ngimphikele yabo sabantu njengoba siphila under the sun akwazi ukuthi ungaphikela omunye umuntu yabo leyo nto le I just hope and pray akulona iqiniso I just hope and pray ukuthi akulona iqiniso but then again as an adult ne yonke lento ngifuna ukuthi mangiyikhuluma nayo uphakela mayeyizwa because for sure uzoyizwa ngifuna uunderstand ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngiyakuhlonipha bhuti omdala yabo ngiyamthanda ngiyamhlonipha and ngisafisa futhi ukuthi in future sisebenzisane yabo leyo nto le silwisa mhlambe wona lokhu ama drug abusing kakhulukazi bafana ingane zabafana ngiyayithanda into ayenza einganeni zabafana yekela nje lo mzabalazo wematch and match into ayimele enganeni zabafana ehaqwa ama drugs eyathathwa ubugebengu and all that ngiyafisa ukusebenzisana naye in future sike sakukhuluma futhi naye lokho nginaye yabo ngiyamfrustana too much uGrotman but asikubeke eceleni kumfrustana kwami ke manje yabo le ngiyikhuluma sibeke eceleni imizwa sisebenzisa ingqondo ke manje yabo akuyenzi sense ukuthi kule meeting uJacinta be absent ngisho ngayibeka ngisho ngaqhamuka ngayiphi angle akuyenzi sense. You understand? Akuyenzi isense. Noma ungazama ukuba nezathu wena oyibekayo, but akuyenzi sense. Sengidlule lapho ngifuna ukubuyela kulento ebikhulunywa uMancinza lo wela kho. Uthe uMancinza before lo mhlangano uba khona nge-23 May babe ndawonye eThekwini noPhakela and kwaphakamiswa emhlanganweni uyu Phakela ukuthi uRamaphosa ufuna ukumbona yabo and ngathi kunemali ayithembisayo lapho yabo but yena ngeke azayi yabo leyo nto leyo wakhuluma konke ayikukhuluma yabo so mase kubonakala sebehlangene sekubona izithombe ezipostwayo uMancinza usebashocked manje ukuthi ngoba le ndoda yayishaya ngonyawo phansi athi angeke iziye lapha sekufika kanjani manje ukuthi ibonakale no president yabo leyo nto leyo leyo nto iyodwa ikhombisa isign yobumbuka ubumbuka ngesizulu ukudayisa yabo yabona masime entweni eyodwa nawe Chris ne sithi simile kulento bra mawubizwa abantu okuyibona kumele balungise ixazululo emele sithole kube ixazululo nawe zale nkinga esimele akumele uye wedwa lapha and loya muntu okubiza kumele umtshele ukuthi yazi mfethu mawukuthi userious ngaleyo nto bengicela ukuthi unkomonda bekhona yabo si leader isizwe la asilidi ingane encane yabo kahle kahle nje uPhakela lento abhekane nayo manje amanzi amnyama uyiphehlela yena yabo isizwe mfethu already uyiwinile inhliziyo zethu uyiwinile imicabango yethu sinaye ya understand le mali ku 3 million makuwukuthi iqiniso ukuthi uyithathile bra for mina iyophukuphuku leyo nto yobulima cause ukuyinqaba kwakhe le mali bekuzokhombisa abantu abasiphethe ukuthi lento iserious kangakanani lento ayithengeki simile kulento ama donations obunsizwa nobunsizwa nani ukubana ugovernment waye serious ngokuthi ufuna ukufunda ubunsizwa nobunsizwa wayeyobufunda dala kabi yabo akangabufandi lobunsizwa nobunsizwa at our expense yabo sinemndeni ezaliswa ama illegal foreigners njengoba sihamba march and march sinabangani abama foreigners njengoba sihamba march and march you understand siluza ama relationship ngokumela istand semarch and march sikhanda izitha ngokulwisa le cause ekhona hayi ngoba sithanda ingoba si-understanda i-logic behind yonke lento eyenziwayo nokuthi mayiba yi-success lento iyonceda ama-generations azayo so umuntu oyilidayo mayezocabanga ngethumbu adayisa isizwe loyo muntu kuyomele simkhaphele ngesizulu lowo muntu makuwukuthi iqiniso ukuthi ukwenzile kuyomele simflathele njengesizwe ngoba lowo muntu uyobe ngakulungele ukulida isizwe mawuzolida isizwe usilida ngethumbu awuyona ilida mawunjalo uyilida ethengekayo so yonke into eshiwo uMancinza angakezwa ke ongizwe noma yena uPhakela bephumela obala beyiphikisa that's number 1 enye into esenza sifuna ukuyikholwa lento eshiwo uMancinza ngelanga la ngomhla ka30 the time kumele kumashwe before kuzoyomasho kwakuvunyelene ukuthi ngo12 or before 12 kumele kuhlanganwe bona uMancinza noPhakela same day Phakela akatholakala efonini i-security lakhe i-bodyguard yakhe ayitholakala efonini ama signs lawo bra but angisho ukuthini iqiniso laziwa uGrootman enye into futhi esinikeza i-indication yokuthi makube le struggle sithengisiwe ucameraman wabo immediately after ukuhlangana nopresident days after uyothenga iPhone 17 ngo-31,000 cash leyo nto bra and ebona mhlambe bacabanga ukuthi ngoba siyazi ukuthi lo mfana unokusishuthela izinto zakhe mhlambe ngoba siyazi ukuthi unomuzo oyistezi automatically we will believe ukuthi u31,000 into anayo asalile mhlambe ubevele nayo but ukuthi ayenze immediately after lento eyenzakele isende enye message lento bra so nje kubhuti uPhakela njengoba ehlala esipreachela ukuthi uyindoda wafundisa ubudoda ubudoda busekuthenini mawuhlangabezana nezinsolo ezifana nalezi. Awubabalekeli abantu kumele uhlale nabo phansi bese uyokhanda ama video. Uhlele emotweni, ukhuluma ngabantu babhinqa. Yabo? Mawuyindoda uyinsizwa njengobusho. Labantu kumele uhlale nabo phansi uphendule kubona. Hamba uhlala nabo phansi uphendule kubona and ube transparent kubona. Lento ukuthi uzosatshela isizwe ukuthi yena ngeke ayidedele ivideo. Sekumele sincenga ngozoso manje.
Uzosolo uthenga iPhone.
You understand? Sekumele sincengane nabo manje ukuthi sazi ukuthi umongameli ubethini nalabafowethu. And without us, without support yethu ama messages bebengeke baze babe nane
meeting.
Bebengeke baze babe nane access yokwaziwa naye loyo Ramaphosa bonke behlangene. You understand? So awukwazi ukuthi abantu bedele into engaka babe kunyawo on the ground ba support movement bese nina neqoqwana lenu niyahamba niyodayisa ngomzabalazo lapha nibuye senisitshela ukuthi yini iqhwaga yini iqhwaga. Yabona umtsizwa bafethu ngifuna ukunitshela lento. Wonke umjida olengisile uyinsizwa. Yakwazi lo. Angifuna ukuthi lento leyo labafethu abaphuma emakhaya yokucabanga ukuthi iyinsizwa. Abantu abakhule bedlala imigangela yenduku kuphela, abantu ade belusa inkomo, udodi leyo nto bra.
And dangerous. Yabona
I understand.
Yabona mina uma ngiyekhaya angithathwa njengensizwa. Yeah, but yeah, mina into engihlale ngisho ukuthi hawo. Labantu abasemakhaya labangithanda njengensizwa. Awona maqoma phela makhulu namanye yabo nje bathi hayi lo akusinsizwa.
Bra.
Ku wrong Nalo mhlawumbe nje donke umuntu engafika ngishaya.
Into eyenzakalayo.
Bana lo method hayi uChris ngomshaya. Oqoka ibhiwe elikhulu. Kanti is not a
yeah, suka skinny jean. Le gang yo Brentwood bafethu lalelanda. Insizwa ne siphume emakhaya ngafani. Siphume endaweni engafani. Sinenhliziyo ezingafani, sinemqondo engafani, sinolaka futhi olungafani. Yeah, understand leyo nto le. So akekho umuntu ongeyona insizwa bra, you know? Because mina I do believe ukuthi one on one ungangibhakeli namuntu, akekho umuntu ufana ungangibeka isandla ngamphindiseli.
True.
Khohlwa bra wami. Angikhathaza thu Jimmy. Mina ayeke ungibeka isandla ngakuphindiseli. Ngeke ungibeke isandla ngakuphindiseli mina bra wami khohlwa. I understand le nto le angikhathani ngisho ngayitshela ukuthi insizwe efika apha. And ekungibekeni kwakhe isandla wazi ukuthi siyobekana izandla.
Nami ngabonhlula ke.
So abanye bafethu bajwayele le genge le uthi mhlawumbe mawuyihlepla ngempama mhlawumbe ibuza ukuthi ungishayelane noma mhlawumbe ikhali ihambile. Abanye bra mhlawumbe ungangoverpower physically ne. But ngezinye indlela will find a way ukuthi defeat a dog. Abanye bethu sinenhliziyo ezingaxoli futhi, you know. So lo mtsizwa lobu to labafethu kumele understand the dog. Ukuthi ugqoka uPrenude it doesn't mean ukuthi uyinsizwa. You understand? Mhlawumbe uzositshela ukuthi uqhathiwe abanye bethu siboxile umehluko omkhulu lapha. So lento omtsizwa le abantu kumele bayibhasope bra because sonke siyinsizwa. Sonke siyakwazi ukuphula itrigger dog. You understand? Sonke siyakwazi ukugwaza. Yini le insizwe ezothi ngiyinsizwa okudlula zonke lezi zinye insizwa yini leyo ngawe? Yini lo suyiprovile ngawe against thina sonke yabo? So nayo leyo akusinkingi ukuthi ube nepride kuwe ngobunsizwa bakho. But lobo mtsizwa bakho akungakwenza ubhilihlile
abanye yes
abungakwenza ubhilihlile abanye abantu bra yabo le nto le abungakwenza ubhilihlile abanye abantu lobunsizwa because abona uJames mncane kanjani ngomzimba ungathola uJames mfethu angangifinqa ngesibhakela ngilale ngifile la. But mina mangizothi ngoba nginomzimba kuno James sengithi mina insizwa kuno James. Understand? Thothi mangathiwa ziyestikini uJames angangifinyisa manje.
No mhlawumbe ngezinye nje izinto strength unaso ukudlula wena but
exactly. Yeah, understand lento. So lento omtsizwa nalento ukuthi mina ngaqhathwa ngelusa. Bra. Mina impilo yami yonke ngisebenza imisebenzi engifundisa ukubulala nokulimaza. But angeke ngihambe ngibreaka ngaleyo nto. Ingangitshela ukuthi mina baningi abantu abangangishaya, baningi abantu abangangihlula ne. But bra awukwazi ukuthi ungifixe kuleyo ndawo bese uphuma ungena scratch. Ungangihlula futhi manje ne. But wazi ukuthi ngiyokuzuma, ngiyokuthola. Etoka ngxoli mina inkinga angifuni mfethu ungijwayele ngokuthi wathatha iwin game dog.
So manje usho ukuthi inkinga mhlawumbe ngaphakathi umthathi umtsizwa.
I'm not saying inkinga yakho umtsizwa but kumele ayilimite lento yokuthi asimemezelele umtsizwa ngobudoda ukuthi wafundisa ubudoda nathi asikhuliswanga yitepfather sakhuliswa obaba basizalayo yabo ababa amadoda nabo yabo leyo nto le and abakhulisa amadoda nabo yabo leyo nto le so abukho ubudoda obungapheka obunye ubudoda
yena
abukho mfethu yabo leyo nto le
yabona lapho ngiyakuvumela
ngisho ngathi umZulu umthwalo umvende umxhosa umpedi uyo yonke into esirecognize kule country yala ekhaya ebra yonke tribe sonke isizwe sinazi insizwa sinawo amadoda leyo nto leyo nje uGrootman ayibheke ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ukuyikhuluma kwakhe iphuma as i-statement is arrogant
yes
kumele ayibhasope
lento yamfana ukuthi mina
and my leader is not about mina i-leader it's about we
yes
I understand i-leader it's something okhuluma igama lokuthi we not I bro yabona lento le but ke angifuni ukumlahlela ithawu nyancanywa le Grootman man and I feel like
phela manje siyahlaziya ngibeka ama feelings eceleni
no the thing is ngibona i-potential ku Grootman you know
a lot
and yonke into engiyikhulumayo ayiphumi from indawo
enzondo yes
yabo le nto le yonke into engiyikhulumayo esekuthenini bra already usulakhile uthando kuthina musukulimosha uthando lwethu ngearrogance engenasidingo yabo leyo nto le and enye into futhi engizoyidlulisa kulabantu abaphathi bemarch and march nganza kwethu lama politicians abadlali bechess bakudala ndoda they knew it ukuthi mabe set up lento kanje
Ramaphosa sekumanga umbona sengavile ngumhagi hayi ngangithi ngiyomshaya
now ubuyitshela ukuthi is a nice man
umtshete is a nice guy this one
few days ago ubukhuluma ku live wakho usitshela ukuthi lo muntu ubheda kangakanani masuhlangane naye sengamane simzonde at our risk he's a nice man yabo leyo nto le so ngathini ngiyayibona i-potential lo Grootman man yabo I just hope and pray lento ya 3 million ayilona iqiniso ngoba
what if yilo
and mayilo bra straight up akasayona akasam recognize ndawo but mawukuthi yamanga lento ne kumele mfethu uphakela unayo potential yabo ingakho ngingafuni ukuya hard yabo ngimbheshe but salute again to umuntu ofana nomlungisi Zondi lo wela khona mina ngiyamthanda umuntu onjeyana not mhlawumbe makuthiwa futhi ubheke kwabanye abantu even to ubheke kumina straight yabo mina ngiyayithanda indoda engibuke enhlamvini zamehlo intshele la enganelisekile khona ngami yabo makumele silungise yabo then umuntu Chris ozohlala nawe lokho ekusinekisa knowing very well ukuthi uyisitha sakho bra yabo leyo nto le mina ngiyamthanda umuntu lo ekuthiwa akuhlaleki naye ngoba into ephuma emlonyeni wakhe mfethu yabo akashuka quote izinto and mawenza into ebheda ukukhola yabo leyo nto le ngiyayithanda indoda enjalo dog even to Chris nami mhlambe ngenza into ongayithandi ne bra akudingi ukuthi ngize ngitshelwe abanye abantu ekubeni uyibonile wena yabo makuthiwa ngenza into engayithandi or nje mhlambe kuthiwa ngikhulume icontent mhlambe obonayo ukuthi lang of rempile yabo nina inamba yami nonke la you can always call me ntwana hayi kodwa la akusiyo manje le yabo leyo nto le not ukuthi mhlambe kokunye intwana sihlangane kwenzakalani yabo leyo nto le not ukuthi uzothula yabo bese ufika kimi uzongisinekisa awuyena umngani lapho usathana empilweni yami so ngiyakujabulela ngingakujabulela in future angazi inkosi yongibeka amakhambi iminyaka but ukusebenza nabantu abane level of transparency ne level of honesty abangasabi ukuthi i relationship makumele imosheke ngameli imosheke makumele iqiniso I mean I am tired umuntu onjalo bro
don't you think this course much this whole course don't you think the chosen person for this course was Jacinta alone like bekungamele angasize because
kuzengena abanye abantu
yeah maybe if it was led by her alone not alone saying kube uwe maybe the face umuntu mhlambe
uyiyo kodwa vele
uyiyo vele but let's balance dog
but uyiyo ngapi manje sekunomnali sona lesibuya ku Ramaphosa nabo phela sebakhona
laba babezosiza
and yazi into masiqaphela
njalo but bebazosiza but when you look at bangithi mfethu bengibona la iSoweto angithi obvious abo anibabuye KZN bonke but bobona la iSoweto ukuthi like beba like uSen video hostel ukuphakela umthakathi jabulani like yibo bahamba you understand
because bebezonceda udadewabo mfethu into esingayisibalekele kungizwe nophakela mfethu into abayenzile ngaba wrong but into esingayisibalekele mfethu ukuthi banayo isupport nento yabo mase bayayenza banalento leyo ukuthi bayayenza yabona so imash and mash yona iyabadinga ukukhuluma iqiniso yakuthola ba contribute kuba khona kwabo laphana kuyasiza kakhulu yikho kubhlungu ukuthatha ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe imali bayithathile
but because khona I hope awenzanga Khotmane man
because mfethu
iPhone iyayifakazela
into engisho ukuthi zonke izinto eziphume bathe mayiphuma ku meeting bazeza no phakathi umthathu usegqoka amasudu
no
uphakela umthathu lokho ephumule president ushaya isudu
no that's why I'm raising this ne
yeah
like ufuna si analyze in a sense no feelings attached si analyze ngendlela yokuthi don't you think like this thing yokuthi lebe sikhulume kunsizwa insizwa it's mina it comes as if lo bunsizwa ngeke bavume ukuholwa umuntu esifazane
yeah
you understand mina lento le ukuthi ngeke bona bavume ukuholwa umuntu esifazane because if bathi bona bazolekelela usisi wabo trust me bazoyilana kuRamaphosa
engekho
bangasama leader ayibona bazolekelela
because bezosithe khuluma nosisi wethu indaba ye-date uqinisile ugani indaba ye-date mfethu yazini ngiyayizwa mina I think is a good idea but thina sizosiza usisi wethu why ungamfoneli bese sizwa uma ngifonela uJacinta maye bafonela phela mhla hambani ku president yabona ukuthi ngabe sikhuluma istory esihlukile
ne reasoning yokuthi hayi Jacinta ushadile ayenzifonela nomuntu ushadile like dog
ayenzi sense
cap
I mean the husband
that's cap nigga
the husband understands the cause mfethu wonke umuntu understand like understand yonke nokusho nje ukuthi mamela sazo sedebeni uRamaphosa la ucela ukusipona
the way upresident ade yabona kanti the way upresident ade badinga ngayo bebengamtshela nelanga ukuthi yazi simiteni nini uze kuphi if ufuna ukusmita upresident adezoya
and the again nami ngifile ngathi they are not telling the truth because the way uphakela ikhuluma ngakhona it sounds as if uthi bekuyinto ya quick like but yeah upresident ufuna ukunibona sayeke
kwajikwa ngazi kwajikwa kuphi
wayiseka ayazi lento
there's no quick
Daddy
there's
planning.
no whatever
emfethu
but mele sikubhasope lokho ukuthi silosiba nama leaders acabanga ngethumbu bafethu you know nanokuthi yabona khona into oyishilo wathi uphakela noNgizwe ba influential kule movement ne and it's the same thing ebisho khona enye podcast ebengiyibuka ebino Max Makhanya yamazi Max Makhanya yeah
laseThekwini
khona le out about Max Makhanya ya ku TikTok
Max Makhanya lo ekhathi lo mfishane
uthanda ukuthuka nje isikhathi esiningi
ngiyambona
ngiyafisa liyamjida nimhost la one day
not exactly but
not exactly but
unama opinions
Yeah.
like I think it should be a good idea even to have right
but he does use vulgar you know
no
but
yena is
asiye
very-
kwenhlamba ne abantu abazu Max ne mina I think sekuyiminyaka nyana ngimlandela lamjida
Awu.
that guy bro yakela i-delivery yenkulumo zakhe ne yakela nezinhlamba sometimes ne that guy uhlaniphile bro that guy ne since nabantu abakholwayo nina ningathandana kabi la studio cause iBhayibheli ulazi from uGenesis to Revelation aphinde futhi into engimthandela yona mina uMax ngakamtshela futhi lento ngihlangana naye lapha eMall of Africa into engimthandela yona uMax ukuthi that guy is knowledgeable bro yabo ku history ne bro that guy is knowledgeable bro you know abantu abanjengo Max ibona abantu makungathiwa kunanhlamba kuya debate ne ibona abantu enga-enjoy kuya back and forth nabo cause whatever sobe sidebate ngayo futhi more especially entweni zezwe kungaba i-debate yami naleyo mjida ngaba i-debate constructive for ama-viewers.
I think kuzomele
I love the
invite shy
program.
panelists.
But ngifisa ngathi singaspota i-topic esizoba nama-differences kuyona esingezivumelani kuyona, then bese sidonsisana naye. That guy into engiyithanda again, uhlakaniphile and is knowledgeable. Ngikunika inumber yakhe ne. Hopefully ngathi ungamcontacta umhost la. That guy mawungayeka i-vulgar la isebenzisayo inhlamba and all that ne. Ulalele nje izinto anokuyikhuluma uma ekhuluma ngezwe, ekhuluma ngomlando nangesizwe ne. That guy bro. Siyamdinga uMax eloke lapha e-content creator ne. Ehlisa kancane inhlamba makhanya ngoba ngiyazi izofika kuwe le video yabo. Tone down la enhlambeni. I-knowledge yakho bra siyayidinga. That guy is knowledgeable. Believe me. Maye ngehlisa kwinhlamba.
Did he have a take about uPhayile Mthakathi?
Yeah, ubekhuluma ngayo kule episode engikhuluma ngayo echaza ukuthi uJacinta uwama brains kuyo yonke lento, uyiface emuch and much. uPhakela unepower yokusondeza insizwe kule movement. Ungizwe unepower yokutrendisa yonke lento. And uyibeke aba perfect. La kunomchunu khona ne.
Yazo trendy. Ikhulu I don't know ukukhuluma. Lona mfethu singanikhuluma.
La kunomchunu khona.
Yabona singanikhuluma sigxeke sithi criticize ngoba vele konda iphethe khona kodwa definitely
mina nje ngizoyisho straight ne. Ngizwe mchunu ngikuthanda kabra and naye ngakamtshela ngingahlangana naye uGrootman. Ngiyayifrostana iRazo ne, but I do understand again ukuthi sabantu sinama characters angafani, sicabanga senze ngokungafani. Yabo leyo nto le. Ziningi izinto azenza engiyithandayo, ziningi izinto azenza engingayithandi futhi. Yabo leyo nto le. But then ukuze makuthiwa uhlanyala kwethu ingane yakwethu akuso umuntu ongamzonda ungizwe mfethu. So uMax ubekubeka kanjalo ethi ungizwe uyoletha itrend, uPhakela uletha insizwa, uJacinta the brain. Yeah, understand that and so far ngikubona kunjalo mina. Yabona leyo nto le. Proud Jacinta, she's very smart, that lady, bro. Extremely smart.
Ubona indlela aphendula ngayo onke ama writings uzo nakama media briefing wakhe uphinde ubheka ama interviews abe nawo.
She's extremely smart.
She's smarter than all. She's smarter than all of these journalists, bro.
She's extremely smart, that lady.
Educated journalist life studio abasamfundi news.
And I'm not taking
abayifunda ngane newsroom but try
and I'm not taking anything away from Uphayela. Uphayela is also smart too, dog. You understand? The Grootman, he has brains. You understand? Unama brains, reasoning capacity, okay, it's out of this earth, bro. But not there, after 29. Before 29, mini reasoning capacity of Grootman, it was always spot on.
Since he was coming, well, I said by 30, man.
Yeah.
Hey, unabayithathile.
Asithi ungizwe uyithathile imali. Kodwa mfowethu ngomblame man. Like after
esihambe kangaka.
Sihambe amakhoti. Sekathuki apparently. The community yamsuwa ngithi. Human rights watch, I think.
Oh yeah.
Angamela kunemali kumele bhatalo.
But lokho kuseceleni okwakhe.
Yeah.
Oh,
ngazi kunemali engakanani uma 400,000 ekumele ayikhiphe as a fine or whatever. Sengikhulumela ukuthi before this whole match ungizwe has been out there, like simbona ama social media konje le line yakhe beyayidumile ngeluthini. Ayikhale. Dala hamba amakhosi after luthini, yabo. So nje singamblame ungizwe mfethu.
Mina ngisho ngathiwa lalela xoxele kande, ngisho ngathiwa wadutshulwa wajike ICU. Ilife yakho yacisha yahamba from we struggle. Wa survive umphefumulo wabuya ne. Waphindwa thatha ibribe. For mina bra wami angiphinde ngibe ne respect. Angiphinde ngibe ne respect because why? Unokungizwa mangikhuluma ngepolitical consciousness ne. Kaningi unokungizwa mangiringa nga-writing.
Athi ngiqedele question yakho before. No, like bengisapainta ngizama ukupainta izinto mhlambe adlule kuzo rabhekane nazo. Knowing South Africans, like somehow unokwenza into, like for instance, God forbid, much and much kuyenzeka izinto aboshwe mhlawumbe uphakele umculo
Yeah.
then I can bet you there is no South African ozoliwe yabona nje batotela amapasta abarapile angamcabanga bangaye emakhopi ayitoyitoyi
Yafuna ukutshela something kanti ne. Ngaphansi komthunzi welanga ayikho into entsha.
True.
I-history ilokhu is repeater over and over again. Ngizokubuyisela emuva kancane. Yabona ngesikhathi se-apartheid ne babe khona abantu ababekhuluma openly ukuthi ama-activist abantu abahlanyayo abantu ababhedayo njengoba belwisana ne-apartheid abayeka abalungu besiphathe you understand babe khona abantu ababesho njalo babe khona abantu ababeyimpimpi bedayisa ama-activist you understand ama-activist lawa asikhulula mina nawe njengoba sikwazi ukuyikhulumela sine-freedom of speech sikwazi ukuhamba noma ikuphi kanje ama-activist akwazi ukudela impilo zawo ukuze mina nawe siphile kanje umama uWinnie Mandela uWinnie Madikizela wayeyi-social worker by profession wayenayo yonke i-chance yokuthi asebenze lapha eBarakwana ephile ney'ngane zakhe impilo comfortable ayithengele mhlampe umuzi kulamasabhabha ayesebavumela abantu abamnyama ngaleso sikhathi and akhohlwe umzabalazo indoda yakhe yayiyi-lawyer by profession uMandela so umuzi we-lawyer plus ne-social worker wes ngalesiya sikhathi kwakuwumuzi comfortable loyo iy'ngane zalapha iy'ngane zaziwo-cheese boy no-cheese girl you understand uMandela wadela ukuthi angabe ubaba opresent empilweni yey'ngane zakhe for almost 3 decades absent empilweni yey'ngane zakhe elwele lo mzabalazo emela lo mzabalazo umama uWinnie wadela konke ayenakho ephila njengabantu abahluphekayo ephila njengabantu abangafundile abangena income ephila nangokukhongozelwa at some point you understand emela ikhozi yabantu abamnyama so azange azathatha i-bribe from nobody you understand azange azathatha i-bribe from nobody ngababala baningi Robert Sobukwe he's the first black lecturer yase-Wits you understand wayengavele ayinakele umsebenzi wakhe ukuba yi-lecture eVets akhulise umndeni wakhe bayiphilele comfortable endaweni egrand
Abanye
you
abakwenza
understand
baphila.
you understand bra but he chose i-cause yama-masses more than that thing so mangithi ayikho into entsha emhlabeni asiqala ukubona ngabo ophakela nongizwe makungathiwa kunama-activist adinga imali and ayikho i-reason esingayizwa from bona evalid enough ekuthenini badayise umzabalazo you understand njengoba ngishilo ngathi sidele ama-relationship nabantu abangani bethu abama-foreigners sisadela ama-relationship nehlobo nabashana bethu abazalwa ama-illegal foreigners you understand nomakhelwane bethu endaweni endawo esiphila kuzona bazaliswe yiwo lama-illegal foreigners bra sidela ama-relationship anabo ngoba sifuna ukumela ikhozi yesizwe yabo then wena uma uzofika lapha uthengwe ngemali shuthi thina mfethu uthini ngempilo zethu kunabantu esingathi masihamba la estradini umuntu akubulalela ukuthi ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi uhamba imatch and match nokukubona utrend so lezo zinto lezo akumele siyithathe kancane asiqala ukubona ngabo labantu abakuthiwa bayabribe manje asiqala ukubona ngabo kanti ukuthi kube khona ukuthi umzabalazo mhlawumbe uthengwe noma yini bona mina into engihlezi ngisho ne I will always choose integrity over imali uRobert Sobukwe ne bakhona abanye abantu abama black lecturers around icards zakhe ne but asibaza amagama abo namhlanje you understand they chose imali nokuphila impilo zabe quiet and they thought njengoba bephila ngaleyo ndlela imndeni yabo iyoba set for life namhlanje ama assets ababewasebenzela sadayiswa izingane zabawonya uphi kwesinye isimo yabo so iwubulima lento ukuthi ucabangele wena ucabangele nemanje kuyinto emassive efana nale
yazi ngibuza kanjani ngendlela yokuthi you are fighting or trying to fight for abantu
yeah
so when masekubhedile for instance into yokuboshwa for instance now you find yourself being alone without support imizekelo yenzile aboWinnie naboMandela yes
they were always alone mabeboshiwe
but they always had the support.
Steve Biko died alone.
They always had the support of Mandela. Steve Biko is a different case.
Winnie Mandela was alone whenever she was detained. Yeah, I understand.
Obvious.
Whenever she was brutalized, she was alone.
No, mamela, I'm era different now. Like, okay,
The struggle, there's no different era.
Apartheid manje akufani.
Listen, when ukhuluma kanje because impilo yakhe ayifani nempilo yalo muntu ohlala endaweni engenayo i-sewage system erana properly, engenawo amanzi arana properly, engenawo ugesi orana properly. Yabo, ukhuluma from a point of privilege. Majority yama South Africans abaphili njengawe dog.
Mamela,
so for them it's the same era.
Na ikhisi kaMcebo Dlamini eFismas 4.
Yeah.
He got arrested. Angazi nabo bani, but umuntu engimaziyo waboshwa. He was alone. So mangithi he was alone, I'm not saying
he was not alone when he got arrested. Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi mangithi he was alone, angikhulumela ekuthenini bokumele abhebisithe nje. No, sengisho the support
from the masses.
Yeah, he was alone. In actual fact, khona abantu bekamasha nabe he mentioned it nayo. Base parliament manje, bathulile. Shuthi babathulisa ngani bathozana.
Those were not leaders.
Sengiyasho ukuthi ngithi I'm trying to usakulento kangizwe ngithi maybe like sekukhuluma ungizwe la suka khona nezinto azenzile maybe and judging by us South Africans ukuthi sinale tendency vele ukuthi mase uyayiqalile
njengoXolani Khumalo nje yenza example lelo njengoXolani siyambona
sawuthanda umsebenzi
every Sunday but uthe sekunale yankinga yokuthi kuba nomuntu ofile azange siyibone support. No, I get your point. I get your point.
Kokuye vele mase kuvela opportunity ka president
ungacela ushuthi uXolani Khumalo ukhuluma into egrandi ushuthi uXolani Khumalo njengoba simazi ukuthi he's anti-drug. I understand anything that has to do with drugs. He's anti-drug, that guy. Ne? Shuthu Xolani njengoba esesinikeze isithombe nomqondo ukuthi siyazi ukuthi into enama-drugs akahambisani nayo. Bese uXolani ebizwa i-president.
No drug dealers.
No drug deal enkulu kwi-country. Ne? Bese mhlawumbe imbambisa u-30 million. Yabo? Yemtshela ukuthi hayi hamba utshela abantu ukuthi I'm a nice person. Xolani mayebeza usitshela ukuthi that person is a nice person. Kumele siphinde simhloniphe.
No.
Yabo? So and lento engisho iya apply nala. Yabo leyo nto le.
Nanokuthi ke ama intentions wabantu. Mawusukuma wena phela awufostiwe like ungabona uphayile umthatha ngoba bengagqoka ikipa thina strong ukuthi abantu bangagqoka ikipa bengene emgwaqweni. That's another thing you have to keep in mind ukuthi akekho umuntu ofostiwe wena mawusuka umuntu uthanda izwe lakho. In a process don't look ama loopholes ukuthi to enrich yourself ukuthi mina ngingaba rich kanjani kule situation. You stand up. Akekho umuntu ofika kudonsa wathi hey Chris siyakwazi wena uNtswempu woza izwe liyakudinga.
Into kumele understand ndimande ne ukuthi yabona bro ezinye izinto zizenzakalela zona like naturally bro yabo. Yabona makudaliwe ukuthi uyoba i-leader yesizwe and uyoceba ngokuba i-leader yesizwe makudaliwe kuyawenzeka bra yabo akudingi ukuthi ufuna ama-shortcuts ufuna easy way out yabo leyo nto le for ama-quick enrichments ne into engihlezi ngisho bra I will always choose i-integrity over imali yabo leyo nto le bro umuntu onjengophakela kwi-position akuyona currently ne ngiyambona uMacingwane ne and lento engizoyisho ngifuna ukucacisa lento siyalibona iqhaza laMacingwane siyalihlonipha yabo leyo nto le it's not like simbeke eceleni masikhuluma nge-leadership but manje uMacingwane siyamazi unawo umlando wokubrayibheka yabo leyo nto le siyamazi nawe uyakwazi lokubhuta omdala yabo leyo nto akusiyimfihlo leyo uyayazi nawe unawo umlando wokuthengeka njengoba umlando nje wakamchunu unawo umlando wokuthengeka yabo lento unako ukuthengeka uGrootman yabo leyo nto le asingako abantu abaningi mabekhuluma nge-leadership la two i-big 3 but makukhulunywa into eserious kaningi kubalwa le-big 2 yabo it's for that reason ukuthi siyamazi ukuthi amchunu ngakuthengisa manje so
umchunu influencer lesi
yeah yabo leyo nto le so kulabo abawu2 uphakela noJacinta labantu bakwiposition yokuthi if bengangavumela ama-delinquent aba-corrupt ne, if bengangavuma ukuthengeka, they stand a good chance ukuthi in the near future bengaba kuma-position aserious okugavina le country, bengaba nezwi elizwakalayo kwi-country, bebe ne-power yokuletha i-service delivery kwi-power, and bengakhethwa ama-messes. And leyo nto, loyo mvuzo loyo, it's far greater than 3 million ozobe ubribe ngawo.
Because omningi na 3 million.
I understand, because now 3 million lo bro wami akusiyo imali eningi.
Ungazi for i-country.
I understand.
And then about 3 million.
Hey, 3 million it's not really that much. Yabona nto le. Yabona nto le. So mase sikhuluma ivari ke bro. I-cause mobe loyal kuyona and abantu bakubeka endaweni ekumele ube kuyona ne. Bro wami umdala mayekudalile ukuthi uyoba rich noma uyoba njani, it will happen.
Yeah.
Yabo kusase yabo njengamanje kusase kuma early stages ukuthi ungavela as umuntu odayise umzabalazo, because obekuphambili mfethu, obekuphambili kwakho ne, it's 10 times greater than 3 million bro. So ingako ngingafuni ukubelieve ukuthi uphakele umthakathi uthathile 3 million, because I think he's far smarter than leyo nto
ukuthi ebengaboni ngempela ukuthi
I think he's way smarter than lento le ngathi uyithathile, yabo lento le. But isifiso sami ukuthi akahlale phansi noJacinta, ahlale phansi nabantu abafana noMancinza kanye nayo yonke i-executive yale movement, bahlale phansi babe transparent. And enye into akusiyi content lento esiyenzayo, yabo lento yomzabalazo ne,
nalento yakhe, yabo lento yabo kancane kancane usene media briefing. This thing too much. Ongizwe nophayela khona manje.
That's why I'm raising this thing your bribe ngithi sometimes into ungayiqala with good intentions, but masubheka abantu hamba nawo support ungayithola, ugcine vele nawo indawo usebenzela abantu nje abangenandawo. I'm raising this because ufuna nathi as citizens sizibheke kahle kahle, ngoba nje it seems like we
blaming
siyalandela nje, asikhoshini izinto lento uJacinta ngimthandela lokho. Yabona uJacinta ngimthandela nje, uyabakhuza abantu, guys, do not idolize me. Noma sengekho ayiqhubeke imatch and match, you understand, because maybe nawebo lento mangahambi yaphela lento makungasuka yena.
Yeah, unomina obuningi. Hey, yimi akenze ukuthi, yimi akenze. Hey,
Cristiano Ronaldo. Uye mi. Now we're Ronaldo fan, James. Before Ronaldo, umzweli utheni, before Cristiano Ronaldo adlalela iPortugal bengawini lutho. After Ronaldo sina 3 ama trophies. It's all about me. Why win edlala yedwa grounding lama 3 trophies nePortugal. Futhi kule yathi Euro 2016 ayifanisa neWorld Cup. Ueda umuntu wawina igame yePortugal. That black guy wayiqhuba number 9 lo wakora from outside the box. Uloyo mjito wawina igame yeEuro ndot. Yabo? So uphakela naye ngathi ufuna ukuzenza uCristiano kule game, yabo. Me. It's not about you, man. It's a collective effort lento. Yabo le nto le. I-collective effort lento. Kodwa-ke ngifuna ukusho nakho, yabo.
But yini abantu enimenza ukuthi agcine mhlawumbe ezoyifila ngale ndlela ukuthi mina.
Obvious ufaniswa noShaka mfethu.
Abantu bampraiser bathi
angimanje phela manje.
If we environment njalo mangena la endlini, yo uyabona uyabona Chris. Uyaphela unomtsizo nomuntu uza negroup yakhe. Uza negroup yakhe nomtsizo vele ebashanga imvubu bengabuyisela abantu ndoda. No. Abana bafethu kumele sisho lento, yabo. Mina abantu engizwa inhliziyo yami iba dark towards bona kuyo yonke lento. Yilabantu besingababoni beparticipate kuma march and march since yaqala. Yilabantu besingababoni online bephakamisa awareness about lento illegal immigration. But namhlanje ngoba sekunezingxabano ezikhona kule movement, sekuyibona abakhanda ama content manje beanalyze ukuthi lo wenza ukuthi bephehla impi, yabo. Kulezi ingane zakwethu eziku executive ophakela omlu oJacinta nongizwe
ngicela ningajabulisi izitha ake nihlale phansi
Yes.
nilungise okudinga ukulungiswa
futhi ayingabe
Usana
sabuzwa
ukukhandelana
ngendaba ye-3
amavidiyo.
million asindluleni madokotela kuningi
angasikwazi ukudlula uma ukuthi sithengisiwe istruggle emina bra ngiyayinyanya into ebribhekayo bro
That's why
Nyanya into
njengoba
ebright,
ngisho,
yeah.
if vele you're an honorable man njengoba usho sometimes vithi noma soyithathile modaba vithi ngiyithathile thi ngiyehle qhubekana nomzabalazo
exactly
wathi ngithi
ungadisgrace movement ungadisgrace ne-movement yabo leyo nto le ungavele usho ukuthi ingane zakwethu ngiphunyukile ngenza iphutha yabo ngicela ukuthi
uqamba amawonto ebengixake
Yabo leyo nto le yabo leyo nto le
ngithinga le mali
uneyinkomo le ngathi seniyayidoubt iy'nkomo le
no inkomo ngesida
owakhona kumuzwe ethi inkomo ongazikaze siyibone kodwa sithi ikhona umuntu kwasho yena
no mina into engithanda ukisho kubantu ne onje ke ngibuze wena Chris uJulius Malema udriver yiphi imoto his personal car everyday car
ayangiyazi
awuyazi ne and uyambuza ukuthi umuntu ofamous kanjani and umuntu before zonke lezi zinto zo-immigration ube much respected by i-South Africa yonke ne ngizama ukukisa apho ngoba ngikubuza lo mbuzo bra wami yabona if you got it if you have it you don't have to
show it yeah.
if you have it like that ne you don't have to show it bro
oh khuma indaba iPhone ne
you don't have to show it bro
mfethu phela mina angiyibonani mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi uyashoot uyithela ushuthi imali
no lento ngikhuluma ngirefera from lento eshiwo uChris ukuthi mawumuntu kwi-public kwisizwe akumele uzosipostela ngokuthi mina I have this and that and the third yabo leyo nto le why ngisho kanje kwi-society lo zama ukuyitshela ukuthi you have this that and the third kunabantu abanoku 10 times or 100 times more than you kuleyo society uzama ukuyi-addressa ngaleyo nto you understand kunabana 10 or 100 or 1000 times more than wena lento uzama ukuthi uprove ngayo ukuthi unani don't yabona mawuyilile mfethu uChris uSteve Biko we didn't know ukuthi wayenani before eshona you understand uChrisani we didn't know ukuthi wayenani before ashona you understand lento le bra Malcolm X the greatest leaders abake ba leader lomhlaba bro we never knew ama possessions abanawo you understand
assets, yeah.
so this thing yokufuna bro this thing yokufuna ukuzoposta ngokuthi I have this much nginenkomo nginengimbuzi nginani musu ukuchomela abantu ngoba labantu batshelayo bra abantu kunabantu aba wealthy kubantu abakulalelayo uchoma ngoshintshi kahle kahle
nane behavior yakhe
thina sifuna i-character yakho mfethu yabona ungasiletheli bathini i-material izinto nazo don't show lezo zinto kuthina okay athi kubuza again yipi everyday car ka Cyril Ramaphosa phendula umbuzo wami i-everyday car yakhe udriver yipi edriver uyena angadrivelwa yona yipi
I'm sure agcina ukudriver le time ahambisa
uyabona khona uya-assume bra upresident listen bra uthi ngikutshele ne luckily kwi-past yami ne ngake ngaba ne-access kwi-presidential village ePretoria yabo ngisasebenza on the other side yabo president umuntu ofana nami nawe bro yes uyasebenza mayesemsebenzini he logs in ne but upresident unemndeni unezingane zakhe unomfazi wakhe yabo leyo nto le uyathanda sometimes ukuyithathela i-drive nengane yakhe entombazana nengane yakhe yomfana I understand ayiyele mhlawumbe ngenza umzekelo eHarde BS bayoyifishela khona yabo leyo nto le but angeke ukwazi lokho wena because you think upresident is always like kwi-suit mayivuka ekuseni he's always about no that's not how it goes bro like even nama minister that's not how it goes yabo so ingaka ngikubuza ngithi the most famous person we have in this country President Ramaphosa at this moment yiphi imoto ayidriver day to day awuyazi ne unga-assume but you don't know ukuthi imoto yakhe ahlala i-steering ayidriver every day yiphi so and naye futhi awukazi umuzwe out of his mouth athi I'm a multi-billionaire I'm a billionaire lezo zinto izinto esizizwa kuma-corridors zikhulunywa abantu yabo leyo nto yena wakwamuzwa as much as ene-into upresident angingayithandi mina wakwamuzwa upresident ethi I am a billionaire wakwamuzwa ile nto engishoyo but my point is ipoint lami ukuthi as a leader, even if you are aspiring to be a future leader, whether emphakathi wakho or a country, bra, kubantu balidayo, you don't have to brag or to show ukuthi unani awunani. You understand leyo nto le? Abantu bafuna umqondo wakho, bafuna izenzo zakho towards ukushintsha indlela
Ngifuna
yokuphila.
sindlule seku-Durban July.
But before uya lapho mfethu, sengivala lento le, ukushow off ama-assets ukuze ugaine inhlonipho ne-interest yabantu, i-sign ye-low self-esteem le. Sivaleke lapho.
Yiphi ekuthiwa ku-Durban July bekunamasha amabili. Dr. bengenamahashi lapha.
Bi-shameful le Durban July.
Oh,
No,
maningi.
unamaspo Chris mayithi
Githi. Wena kuthiwa umlungu lo ovama ukukhipha amahashi laphana kanti kuthiwa bethetha amahashi akhe awaphuzanga amanzi. Wathathile umlungu wafika wazonanda amahashi akhe. Bathi basathi laphana bekungekho ukujabula.
serious, bro?
Yeah, bathi basathi basajabula.
awuphuzanga amanzi amahashi wathathele lokho
Umlungu casa ukuyafa. Kuthiwa abantu bathe basathi basayijabulisa isebeyekile-ke lento amahashi yabo. Basethi bayayijabulisa bayohlala phansi. Bathenga amahenisi, umkhwanazi wavela wandlula abantu babuyisela amahenisi. Athi umkhwanazi akazi kuthiwe bezokwenzani naye lapha. Le nto lento vidiyo. Angihlali nje yami ngingadlala kanje. Umkhwanazi kuthiwa wavela wandlula abantu bangaze beyaphi le kwenye imakhile abantu babuyisela onke abantu kuthiwa abantu beyiphuzela amanzi beyithulele beqoke cabanga ibe beqoke neyiqoko lezi hayi bezivele sisindufe
Imagine, bro.
but mfethu ungathini ngeDurban July
Yeah, be shameful, man. Ibiswabisa, you know. Seeing abantu abayibiza ngama-celebrities begqoke izinto zako-China Mall, Marabastad, and showing it as OTT, you know. Yini it's
yeah OTT
yini lento yini
OTT.
la 2000, yeah.
yeah
Outfit of the day.
outfit of
You
the
know.
day OTT
Yeah. Mfethu ngangazi mina ukuthi ngiyobona ilanga kwi-Durban July i-A-lister emboza wonke umuntu ngetrend nangesidwadlo kuwumuntu ofana nalentwana ekuthiwa uBobo le isitabane le yaseThekwini uthi uBobo bevale konke lo bekuvale konke. I understand. Yabona kumele ubone ngaleyo nto ukuthi if i-Durban July kuzotrenda umuntu onjalo ne then ama-A-lister singawaboni anywhere near that
kodwa mfethu
trend.
I think mina even the timing
Tells you.
timing was bad mfethu we can't
tells
see
you
this day
tells you
serious.
ukuthi i-Durban July isiyijoke kangani.
ama-celebrity beyithulele sonke lesikhathi but agijima ko-Durban July
Lalela
But
like,
nah, David, it was never like this. And you are a celebrity. But it was never like that. Angazi iqalwe yini.
can I say something, gents? Yabona i-Durban July ya this year reason why ibe failure ne. Number one, bathi lento le ama-value men, high value men. Yakhumbula ukuthi sike safakelwa i-pressure ngegama ekuthiwa i-high value men. Ama-high value men ekudiscoverekile ukuthi igebengu. I understand. Ezi-disguiser as ama-political
Can't
leaders.
even call them high value men.
I understand. Igebengu eziyibiza ngama-political leaders, abantu ababulali, abantu abatshontsha izinto through amathenda, abantu abanotha nge-tax ekhokhwa yimi nawe. I understand. Ekumele bahambise service delivery ngayo kubantu. Bathenga iy'moto ey'ningi ezi-luxurious, bashaya ama-convoy beko-Durban July. So manje ba-understandile ukuthi kune-SIU in place. I understand and ayidlali. Yabo leyo nto le. So that's the main reason why ama-high value men engazange abebikho kule Durban July. Ama-slay queens lawa ama-influencer adumile eswaziyo most awo bingekho kule Durban July because ama-fans kade engekho from ama-real men. I understand. Ma-high value men igebengu. So nje into engifuna ukisho nayo ne ama-celebrity ale country siwabonile futhi akade ekhona kwi-Durban July. Yabo?
most yawo
Celebrity bokusona make chill.
finish most yabo ilabo vele abangakhulumi nange-country yabo ilabo abangayifuni i-country yabo
Okay, let's not take anything away from Oscar Mpo.
Yes. Sengiyasho angisho
I like
bonke
the
ngithi
brother, man.
but imustayila angenandaba vele necountry akadela.
And abanye babo vele kwanento abanye bathi bacuthela amadili balinde bra abanye babo they will never amount to anything superstardom njengoba bengafuni ukukhuluma ngezwe kanje.
Anyway.
Yeah, understand abanye babo vele lokuthula kwabo kuyabasiza cause kusiza thina cause vele kuyasikhombisa ukuthi besiyobeka abantu endaweni eziphezulu aba useless, you know. So shout out to labafowethu abambalwa abavelile bakhuluma ngayo lento and shout out to umuntu ofana nobaba the legendary Mzwakhe Mbuli.
Best.
Umzwakhe Mbuli wayelwa against apartheid. Even 32 years after apartheid usalwa
Samela
izimpi
khulu,
again. But ngiyayihlonipha ngiyayithanda yonke into enegama likaMzwakhe Mbuli egameni layo ne. But ngizothi intwana yakho Robot Boy uyi-disgrace inyana dog.
Kanjani?
Bro, yabo
Uyidisgrace
uyi-disgrace inyana dog. Yabo uyi-disgrace inyana that boy dog. Yabo fine talent wise he's gifted ne. He's multi-talented. He's a likable persona. Yonke leyo nto ne. But awukwazi ukuthi ukhuliswe i-activist elifana noMzwakhe Mbuli. UMzwakhe Mbuli is a legend.
Yeah.
Yabona ubani uMzwakhe Mbuli wafa ngama-90s ngabe simbeka kwi-iconic status la countries. But awukwazi ukuthi uyi-product kaMzwakhe Mbuli. Yayizwa leyo nto le ungabi political ungabi politically vocal kwisizwe, ungalethi i-consciousness kuma-masses. Awukwazi ukukhulela kwi-household enomZwakhe Mbuli ujike uqhakambisa ama-brand nama-deals ukhohlwe i-mess, ukhohlwe i-call yama-masses, yabo leyo. So mangithi uyi-disgrace akalifuzanga itime lakhe bra, yabo. And kumele ngabe uyacapitalize entweni efana nale, yabo, ukuze asiment igama la kaMbuli. Yayizwa leyo nto le kwaMbuli liyaziwa leli yakhaya ukuthi limeleni. Ubaba wakhe walithandizwe ngakamzali, bekumele akukhombise ukuthi wakhuliswa indoda ethandizwe. Yayizwa leyo nto. So for mina it's a disgrace ukubona umuntu njengoRobot Boy ehamba yako Durban July lapha ebhizi edansana nento ayidansa 3 years ago, usayidansa lapha namanje. I understand, I love the guy ku-entertainment space ne, but awukwazi ukukhuliswa umuntu okupedestal kaMzwakhe Mbuli bese uba ignorant kuma-social ills.
Maybe so.
It's a disgrace.
Celebrity.
He's a millionaire. Uzalwa futhi ekhaya lingahlupheki bra. URobot Boy akakaze ahlupheke empilweni yakhe dog. Akunadile engathi engashintsha impilo yakhe manje. Ayikho life changing man angayithola manje. He's nice that boy.
Yeah, yena.
Yabo leyo nto.
Yabona ngcono
Into
kuthiwa
I understand lento. He's nice.
Silambele mfethu esingakhala sithi sesiyashintsha.
Story ingakaze ngisunderstand. Engazi ngicabanga manje.
And I have nothing against the guy. Kodwa lento engishoyo futhi ngingamtshela naye emahlweni akhe, yabo leyo nto le. Hayi phela ukuthi ngiyanqena ukumtshela, ngamtshela ukuthi he's a disgrace ukuthi eyisidi kaMzwakhe Mbuli azibe ama-illnesses nama-injustices enzeka kwi-society eloku edansana nemidanso ebhedayo.
Ngifuna ukubuza lana, maybe ngingaba nazo impilo. And like asiyazi uMzwakhe Mbuli has done a lot. Legend. Mara ngifuna uku-understand, I remember ukhe wayejele ne. Kwaje wayebosheleni? Like into wayebosheleni wayenza vele. Because I don't think
Wena wazini ngaye?
ngazi
ngaleso story, what do you know?
ngikhumula ngibona indabeni lento.
Ayibasheli heist.
Ngiyazi ukuthi heist ne. All I remember is me seeing him at TV endabeni SABC1. But ubosheli heist kunemali ekhishwa emotweni or something like that.
Yeah.
But I know ukuthi ubosheli heist, but I didn't know ukuthi vele. Like I've always asked myself ukuthi did he really do it or wafrenywa?
Ngafuna ukutshela something abantu abanjengobaba uMzwakhe. Ubaba uMzwakhe amapantsula sekasi from Tuka ne. And ashayelwe ngekhahlamba lepolitics. Lamjitwa uyi-poet ne. And angeke ume naye stage makuthiwa sekulahlelwa i-poem. I understand, i-beast. I understand. He was a political poet even before ezoboshwa. Yabo, he was well known. I understand. And even sebeboshiwe lezo zinto abazenza ne, because le gang yakudala yala koSoweto yayikholela ekuthenini kumele igangela belungu. yabo kumele igangele inkampani instead of ukukhawatha abantu, you know. So I wouldn't know the exact thing eyenzeka, but what I know mina ngokwami umzi wakhe bra ngikhulise umama obethanda umzi wakhe Mbuli ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, you know. Umzi wakhe ngimaze cishe ngino 4 years. I understand 5 years igama elithi umzi wakhe Mbuli, you know. So ingawo ngithi intwana yakhe i disgrace. Le famous i disgrace egameni la kaMbuli bra. Yabona umzi wakhe Mbuli ndoda ngoba ngikutshela ubani wafa ngama 90s lo yababa. Ngabe simenshina kubantu abama icons.
Awunestrada.
Exactly. Fana noZola. Yabona ubani uZola wafa kwi peak ye-career yakhe ngama early 2000s ngabe simfanisa no Tupac Shakur. I understand. Uzola benga rapper bonke laba bantu ba rapper manje. Akekho oyo rap sense njengoZola. uZola waba umrapper owayengekho certified ukuthi umrapper. Waqhamuka as a kwaito artist kodwa mawulalela umculo wakhe urap okudlula abantu ababecula ikwaito.
Even noma wathatha ingoma zakhe manje uyilalela.
Ziyayenza sense. I understand thatha ama interview kaZola esase ku peak yakhe. Ayayenza sense and asa relate nempilo esiyiphila today. I understand. But yabo ngendlela esihypocritical ngayo. Kakhulukazi thina madoda nekumele si understand ukuthi siphile ezweni eli hypocritical ne. Noma ethi ungenza ubuhlo obukhulu kangakanani ezweni ne. Ama flowers akhe ngempela nothando la ngempela ngeke ulithole usaphefumula. Mawuyindoda. Mawuyindoda uyothandwa mhla ususe boxini. Bonke abantu bebe ku memorial service noma bebe besemngcwabeni yakho bebe bekhuluma izinto ezi wonderful ngegama lakho. But ababe kuhluleka ukutshela zona ebusweni noma babehluleka ukutshela umphakathi ngazo usaphila.
Lithi abantu basasama pride.
Yabo le nto le. But ke ingako unokungizwa nginokisho lento ngithi as umuntu othanda history personal ne. Ma unalento abathi political consciousness dog kanye ne enlightenment ne. And understand ukuthi cause yini. Bro, bribe into yokugcina emqondweni wakho. Yabo? But mawuzongena ngama intentions vele ukuthi kunento ethile oyicuthele. Most likely uzoba nama reasons of accept any kind of bribe. Mina bro, wathi ngikwenzele nje iexample ne. Yabona esipanini sami bathi indaba ayilali khona like akuna secret la, yabo? Ngingathi ngiyiphoyisa kanje, mhlawumbe uthi ngize nephoyisa sazoshutha la, yabo? Masibuyele emuva iboshwa zobe sizazi ukuthi le studio sikuphi sishutha kanjani yabo le nto ingako mina into enzama ngi-involve umuntu engisebenza naye like hamba ngedwa yabo le nto le ngamanye amazwi ngizama ukutshela ukuthini esipanini mina ngisina nomuntu othemba abantu ngeindaba zami but ngingasweleke ngikutshele manje ukuthi Chris yazi one series yami emile lapha edladleni yabo mhlawumbe idinga 1 2 3 4 5 yabo manje esipanini ne ngizotshelwa sengitshelwa iboshwa zithi time amanesh yazi mfethu sinawo umjito nawo wonke amaphatha le moto yakho yabo and ngakushayela nelabor yabo mahala and ungamchecka na online ispace sakhona sisendaweni kanje siyazi ukuthi unemoto emile lapha yabo bekunganjani ukuthi sikushayele yona yonke into mahala sikufayela ne-interior entsha sikufayele no sound omusha mawuthanda kodwa manje thina sifuna into ekanje. Awuthi yabheka leyo BM yami ngaleso sikhathi. This is a true story by the way. Isamile namanje lapha. Yabo. Oh. I was like, "Ish." And mangibuka imali edingakalayo ukuthi ngilungise imoto yami bright. Yabo? I'm like, "Ish, God, this is the easy way out, you know?" But then again, mangihleli ngiyi-one, I'm like, if ngiyayithatha lento for the rest of my life, I'm hooked. Yabo? So, as much as ngiyithanda i-one series yami ne, ayingilinde ngibe nemali ephuma kumina ukuze ngiyilungise ibe grand. Yabo? Because mangiyilungisa ngiza ngayo la esipanini. Already mayibuya. Amanye amaphoyisa asebenzisana neboshwa azobe sazi ukuthi njengoba niyibona iseries kaMjidi yalungiswa ithina kanje lo mfethu usebenzelana thina sisebenza naye manje ngakholwa ngelanga elokuthi sizomtshela ukuthi akalithi ukuthi manje ufuna ukumbamba nimbophe okwena yabo le nto le So ukusebenza kwami ejele has taught me ukuthi ubude abuphanga, ubude abuphanga. Yabo leyo nto le. Fine. Imoto yami ngayishayisa ne. Ayishayisekile bra. But ngayilungisa ibhodi ne. Kusele nje roughly mhlambe mangathiwa ngino 25 or ngino 30 blocks cash. Imoto yami kusase ngabe igrand. Yabo? But ngangeke ngize ngisacrifice i-dignity noma i-integrity yami ngenxa yaleyo nto. Yayibona leyo nto le? And for any person, for any guy, umjito emotweni usensitive kabi.
Hey mfethu.
I understand leyo nto le.
Ngilale kuma inenkinga.
Let alone bra i130i M Sport lengikhuluma ngayo 6 cylinders dog. Yiyo le rasa ngikutshela ngayo. Yabo imoto yami lengitshela ngayo bro ipakile dog namanje. Yabo ngigwenye nje pride. I'm like yazini isikhathi mase si right yonke into mayisipheya kahle kulama efforts nama investments engikwenza. Later on yonke lento ngizoyi-attend. Yabo. But for now angikwazi ukuthi because once ngayenza lento le ukuthi ngithathe le moto yami ngiyise space and enye into ngambuza le muntu wayengitshela lento ukuthi time imoto 1 2 3 ngathi uyizwe plan uyithathephi awuyazi bethe ejele indaba yilali mfethu yabo so mazingalali ezokuthi nginemoto emile ezokuthi ngibribewe ezohlala kanjani singaphumi yabo le nto leso kusebenza ejele has taught me ukuthi choose integrity over.
Yiphi mfethu sesivala i-message esingayigaya abantu abangama public figure about izwe lapho.
Number one, as a public figure, oyi-celebrity noma oyi-leader ekhanda qala.
Celebrities.
Ama-celebrities, labantu abaku-entertainment industry.
Because now they have this thing yokuthi hey, kumele ube brand friendly, yabo.
Ngiyayiphinda ngiyayisho lento kubantu abama-celebrity akulelizwe. In the near future angeke kuphathe labantu abajwayele ukuphatha la. And bonke laba abadayisa ngezwe abama-celeb abathi ba brand friendly abangafuni ukumosha bathina ama-brand abo. Already ama-brand enamoshekile because e-Africa likho izwe lisazonibhuka. Where do khona where do khona kulento yabo ubulima lento yabo because where do khona kulento le illegal immigration or awukho already as a South African sebekufaka under the bus. Yeah, understand bekunezim festival ezayo bakhanselwe bonke kade bebookiwe. Yeah, understand lento le so kuyafana and abanye babo laba bayibiza ngama-celeb ama-celeb ka 2 minutes dog. In the next few months ngisho bengathi bakhipha ingoma ngeke sisayilandelela. Ispark sizobe singasekho kanti leli thuba lokustenda nama messes kulwisa cause mhlambe bekungakhuphula nendlela abantu abangaqala bekuphesive ngayo yabo leyo nto le phela mfethu yabona ama-celeb nje how before ngiphuma mfethu nimbonile o school is important ne ama academics nimbonile uDr Ndlozi before nje siphuma ngihlazi ngintshela into ngithi ama-academics awahlakaniphile bafana.
Uyabona makuthiwa
Mina ngingangitshela ngalabantu abantu bafundile kuthiwa abakhuluma isilungu bese nithi bahlakaniphile. uDr Ndlozi into emelwe ama-messes kulelizwe yezwa uthi it's vigilantism uyiname ngawo wonke amagama right si wrong ne but usuka la ucross ama-continent uya kwenye continent uyolwisa into yakuphi ise-Israel noma ise-Iran ubese Iran lapha understand leyo nto leyo. uDr Ndlozi mfethu asimboni eba vocal ngezingane ezibulawa ukudla kwalama syndicates esiwaxoshayo kulelizwe. Dr Ndlozi asimboni elwisa ukuthi lezi zingane ezigcwele ezitradini ezamahobe sisibiza ngamaphara namhlanje zizama ukuthola mhlawumbe irehab sizama mhlawumbe nokuthi ziclean impilo zazo zibe ngcono zibe abantu abangcono kwi-society. uDr Ndlozi angimboni lezi zingane eziba i-victim ye-human trafficking eziba ama-sex slaves ezama ukuthi mhlawumbe abe yiphathi ukuthi lezi zingane zibuyiswe kahle emqondweni zi-integrate ne-society ngendlela e-grand. Ey'ntweni ey'ningi ezingakhisiwe sala ekhaya Dr Ndlozi angimboni. Dr Ndlozi ngimbona nge-English yakhe influence nawo uThabo Mbeki. Ya understand undermine abantu base South Africa, you know, bra ukwazi ukuthi uhluleka ukuma nabantu bakho la abantu bakho babone be disgraceful ngento ebalimazayo ekuphileni kwabo usuke la uhambe uyomela izinto zako Iran Iran vethe ayikho into yase Iran esibenefitayo thina la umuntu ohlala la eSoweto emkhukhwini ayikho into yase Iran embenefitayo bro but makumele kulwela into zala si wrong so ibona iyona education esinayo and iyona into esafundisa ukuthi siyihloniphe le nathatha ama academics nawa associate kakhulu nama intellectuals and academia it has nothing to do with intellectual but ke njengoba sihlale sisho ubude baleyo umthakathi as a friend of the show so kuye sinibona cela ukuthi kusho lento sengiphuma mdemand YouTube channel yami ngithi uyazi ukuthi yabhayiziseka and all that
Uqinithiwa waphilile man.
Sa-aphile bra yafeyila you know but soqala kabusha i-page elisha ne and yeah so announce amaseli khona to whoever lo ozama ukudla imisebenzi yami hlalaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangithanda
Vele uqalele. Mara
asikhulume off cam
okay.
nina enizama ukungibhayizisa uNkulunkulu uyonibona makhaleni
Amen. Amen.